my show. Joking. Excuse me. Get out of my house. Okay. Okay. Are we gonna do it together? Hey guys! Welcome to Simply Awkward. Today on Simply Awkward, we will be baking for all you beautiful people. Today we are making strawberry cheesecake cupcakes. Okay, not of oil. Right now we are preheating the oven to 350 degrees. First thing you do,
read the instructions.
we're gonna do our own thing. We're making this into a cake.
Screw you.
Screw you, Duncan Hines.
Duncan, we're finished.
Empty contents of large pouch into bowl. Large pouch, here I come.
Finnegan, eat it.
Pour contents of large pouch into bowl. Move your body right next to mine.
Feel the beat of a lost in time. I'm yours and now you are mine forever, baby.
What's that song?
Victorious.
Blend cake mix, water, and oil and eggs in a large bowl. Low speed until moistened. Ew, I hate that word. 3/4 cup of water into the bowl. 1/4 cup of oil. Because it's strawberry cake cheesecake.
We're basically Betty White. Who's Betty White?
A cooker person.
Isn't that Betty Crocker?
Yeah. Betty White's an actor, right?
We're both.
Spoon batterly, batterly. Spoon. It keeps pooping.
We're so classy.
Spray evenly.
I didn't mean to do that! We're not very good at spraying evenly.
Blue thing.
Mooshy gooshy goosey thing. Ah!
Of it. Okay. Wait, we hold the bowl. Teamwork.
Across the pan-tan.
What?
It's already done.
Measuring cup. Hi, Jenna.
Hi, John, if you're watching this, I love you.
I hope you're watching this.
Put it in the bag. Put it in the bag. Oh my god, it's good. We're cooks. Yay!
Let's just.
Oh, I just peed.
Here's Finnegan. Say hi, Finnegan.
He's gonna bite me.
Ow. It's okay. He's so fat.
Why would I get fat?
There's Finnegan.
Okay.
That ring means it's done.
Dingling.
It's done.
Whoa. Hey, this is my video.
Want to be in the video? This is Liz. Oh, that I found. Simply Awkward.
No.
Yay, we win it live.
I don't like it. I don't like it at all.
I like it. So, 1 out of 2. I hope you guys enjoyed this week's video of us cooking.
Thanks for
watching.
and
Subscribe to our video. Like this video if you enjoyed. Comment below other things that you would like us to do. And
Also,
we'll see you.
Comment below what's your favorite kind of cake. And
we'll see you next week. Bye, guys.
I love the rubber ducks
Bye,
that live in my
Felicia.
pool.